I'm cooking the chicken Sarsiado, and the ingredients for this chicken is lemongrass and lemon. What you need to do is to cook this, just boil first the chicken so it will be soft. After that, put garlic, black pepper, and the lemongrass and the lemon together, and then also a small amount of flour, then mix together, and also 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I use banana ketchup because I don't have tomato ketchup, but it looks like delicious. As you can see here, the chicken, wow. I think it's almost. Just only cook this one for 20 minutes. Since I'm done boiling this to make the chicken soft and tender, so this can be eaten now. This can be like put in a bowl and you can eat. I'm so excited. It's so delicious. I'm going to try. See, as you can see, the salsa. Wow. Delicious. So thank you for watching, guys. It's time to turn off the butane, and I'm ready to eat. I'm so excited. See? Wow.